I want to not only make this form easy to fill out, but also decrease the time that is spent filling it out. One thing that we can improve is the date and time requested field. Whenever the form is being initially filled out, that would be the request date, which would be the current date. It would be nice if ONBASE just automatically filled that in for us. You guessed it, we can accomplish this with another custom action. So I'm going to create a new custom action. I'm going to name this Set Date and Time Requested to Current Date and Time. I'm going to add a new condition. Now there's a couple conditions we can select here. One condition that would result in true is field is empty. When we initially fill out the form, this date and time requested field would be empty. And another option we could do is form is new. I only want the date and time requested to be filled in when the form is initially viewed, not any subsequent times. So either would result in a true result here. I'm going to go with the field is empty condition. Which field is empty? That's going to be the date and time requested field. I can also toggle that to not empty. If the field is empty, what do we want to do? Well, I want to fill it in with the current date and time. So I'm going to add a new action here. Since I need to fill in a value, I want to use the set field value action. Again, with this type of action, we need to select the value first and then select the field where it's going second. And in this case, instead of doing a static value, I'm actually going to use one of our pre-built functions, which is the now function. I'm going to double-click this function to add it to my expression. This function will capture the current date and time. Right now, my expression is marked as incomplete. To complete the expression, I just need to add an in parenthesis. I'll click Validate to make sure my expression is complete. No errors detected means we are good to go. I'll click OK to leave this screen. I now have my value configured, but I still need to configure where the value will be placed. So I want to select Date and Time Requested. Click OK, and we've got our new custom action. Now, before I test this out, right now our end user could still change the date and time requested to keep our end users honest. I'm going to make this field read only. I'm going to select my field, and then under Properties, I'm going to check the Read Only box. Now we're ready to test. It happened so fast you probably didn't see it, but the custom action noticed that the field was empty, so it automatically filled in today's date and time. If there are fields on your form that need to have values automatically filled in, you can use that through custom actions. Also, if there are any dates that you want to capture, like today's date, or if you want to add or subtract dates from the current date, you can do that as well.